Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have an oxygen tank with a volume of 2.6 cubic meters. We got a gauge pressure of 501 kPa. Find the mass of the oxygen in the tank with a temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. The local atmospheric pressure is 98 kPa. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the mass formula. M is equal to PV divided by RT. P is pressure, V is volume, R is gas constant, T is the absolute temperature. P is also the absolute pressure. So step 4, find the absolute pressure formula. P absolute is equal to P gauge plus P atmospheric. Step 5, find the absolute pressure. We just add the two given values in the question. We will get 599 kPa. Step 6, find the oxygen gas constant. So this is 0.2598 kPa meters cubed per kilogram Kelvin. Step 7, find the mass, just mass. That's a typo. So convert your temperature to Kelvin by adding 273 Kelvin. So it becomes 302 Kelvin. And now we just plug in all the other values that we found earlier. So you've got your pressure, you got your volume given in the question, your oxygen gas constant, and then your absolute temperature. So your mass is 19.85 kilograms. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.